Share the live, share the live. I'm gonna share the live. Cause Gracie now all about nobody picture today, everybody a picture I put out there. So all who they want to know Bulldog want to meet Bulldog today. Share the live. Since when me talk, everybody say Gracie, Gracie not have nothing. I like share tell. Share the live. But cut out, who for cut out, and I put out, who for put out. Yeah. Outside. Well, you know what me dirty woman? But you have a shanty 360 and cuss me. Me tell you, if you come back out here, me not gonna play. Me not gonna play. Me not gonna play. Share the life, guys. Guys, about everybody who ask me for early Christmas gift, you know, I get it. Now I get a peep of it today. We not fear nobody. Share the live. We not afraid of none of them. That me say. We not afraid of none of them. And we not talk what we not have. We are talk what we have. We are show what we have. We are going to show what we have. Since Bulldog can't bad enough to go up on Shanty 360 life to come defend our friend and come tear. You can't tear me down, Bulldog. No love. Me have a thing for losing a big foreign. Come, I regret tonight. Me cut out, over cut out. And if you chat too much again and come out like you want to come cuss me again, I will put out more because you don't know what me have. You don't know what me have in a Bulldog. You say, me going to show the world of the son how wicked and liar. You say, Laurie never come at your yard yet. You say, I never your yard the party keep. Me, I going to show you. Say, you a liar, Laurie a liar, Marina the whole of a liar. Me, I going to show the picture and footage. I when Marina got Bulldog yard. And me, I going to show the video. I when Lorraine in a Bulldog, if I call it basement, tack room, whatever you want to call it, me, I'm going to show you footage when Lorraine in a Bulldog, basement, tack room, whatever you want to call it. That's the defeat. When I lie, when I joke, since I'm not ready for come for Gracie, don't come for me. Because I never send for no. Alright, see ya, because Gracie not tell lie, I'm not lie. I'm a cut out, one for cut out. It's a good thing, I cut out other people coming out. Nobody. The Bulldog there. That's a Bulldog. That's a Bulldog. So Bulldog, nasty dirty Bulldog. You think Gracie is afraid of you? Eh? You think me is afraid of you? I warn you. Thank you, Karen, because you have sense. Karen, you have sense. All of who have said that have sense. And they see him close the Bulldog. Lauren did have one at the party. No, them say no. Them say Lauren never done Bulldog yard. And Lauren never won a Bulldog tack room or in a basement for party. And we could have seen Lauren in a Bulldog, if I don't know, basement, don't call it tack room, whatever no one call it down in Florida. I give a flying shit. We don't know what me attack. We don't know the exact room where me attack. The same video was she wear go in at the party. My one Bulldog, I say Bulldog leave Gracie alone. Me not trouble you lady. You run out for defend friend. Eh? And if you Bulldog, if you mess around me too much, you know man. If you mess around me too much, you know Bulldog. Me put out everybody night and a care, you know. Put out dog, post rat, junk, everybody, you know. Don't play with me, the Bulldog. Do not play with me. Come in and ramp with them. I don't see you, lady. I don't see you. Me not see no now, no. So I don't know how you reach one shanty if you got trace me. Run the video again. Me didn't want you. Me say, Bulldog, if you call back my name and come out back for me again. Me I go put it out. When you think I joke, me don't make you never know. So me have something for you. That's all Lauren and her husband. When you tell me say never the bull and never, she never your yard. Bulldog, don't play with me. Don't mess with me, Bulldog. Don't mess with me, Bulldog. Come here, try to put you up on your safe ground. Everybody can see say Gracie never want to do this. Don't mess with me. Remember, you have a restaurant for secure. Remember, say you have a life outside of social media. So you can't go and make people dry in a shit. But you can't put out my picture because I look good. Where we put it out, Bulldog? We let them go for my tropical rhythm and buy for drink. Yeah, me sitting on my night tick and never plan to come so early. I never plan to come by so early. I still on my nighty. Bulldog, why you call me out so early? Why you call me out so early, Bulldog? The Bulldog, why you do it? Why you do it, Bulldog? Me na my house, me still in my pajama. Me never ready to come live. Why you do it? The Bulldog, yeah. The leopard, one night leopard, a Bulldog that. We not play over here. Bulldog say Lauren never come out here yet. That is Lauren party night. That is Lauren party night with Lauren in a Bulldog basement or a tack room where the ratty coffee one name. And she a call a customer, the one that leopard, yeah. That is Bulldog. You're over Shanty and you're dirty Gracie. Well, Bulldog, no, we can't see who we are arguing. So now a class for class. Now I done is a Robins for Robins Bulldog. Because me can't see who we are arguing and you can't see who you are arguing. Everybody know this a big tongue girl Gracie. Come in hide. Every girl, everybody pan know this big every tongue girl Bulldog. So we know who you are now, Bulldog. So class for class and Robins for Robin, Dunnings for Dunning. We not afraid of you. Me not frightened for you neither, Bulldog. You think me did frightened for you? Joke you make. You're joking, you're kidding. Me not frightened for you, Bulldog. You say, you come out, come say, my boss never come on my yard yet. My boss don't know where me live. My boss never come on my yard yet. My boss don't know where me live. So how come you turn a party together at your yard? When party you keep at your yard, the girl come keep the party while you say you don't know the girl. Bulldog, why you do it? Bulldog! Where the dog there? Why you do it, John Crow? I may have more. This is just a glimpse. This is just a glimpse, bulldog. The music stop. The music stop. Welcome, bulldog. Round of applause, everybody. Welcome to Facebook, bulldog. Welcome. Yeah, man. Round of applause to bulldog that is hiding for so long. We finally met bulldog today on Facebook. Nation has round of applause to bulldog. Happy party to bulldog. Party bulldog is here. Bulldog is here. Cause when Gracie says she have things, it sound like a lie. Gracie are telling a joke. Gracie are make. So now that the dog system have her picture for sure. Now that the dog Vetty she. See that Gracie have her picture for sure. With your bulldog you not hide. All your address out the road. We have everything we need for you, bulldog. All the address for your restaurant or your own bulldog, come on, man. Love me not. Love me, man. All the address for your restaurant or your own in Florida, it's not hiding. Me never even plan to come live. I plan to stay at home and chill this today. Today was my chilling day, bulldog. Why you draw me out so early? Why you put me on live so early? Me never want to come live yet in a bulldog. But me have to come to show the people who you be. You say, nobody never know you a preacher. Nobody know. You say, she never come to your yard yet. Me have more video. Try me, bulldog. Me have more footage. That is just the least of what I have. That is just a glimpse of what I have. That is nothing concerning what I, Gracie, have. If any other blogger come by and say they have things and they not have nothing, me don't know about them. Me know. My nation as them know from Gracie say she have something, she have it. Me never lied to them. You know much of them never cuss me? Gracie I walk one with bulldog when I release bulldog picture. Gracie are wicked. I make a vow upon your bulldog. I say, any of you cuss me, bulldog, me I bring out your picture. And you cuss me. And as soon as you start to cuss me, bulldog, them run come. Gracie! Bulldog I cuss you, release the picture. Yeah, bulldog, I never want to do it. I never want to do it. You make them on your mark set go for you. I'm ready for go. Them are wait for you to cuss Gracie for your Gracie if you release you. You know, bulldog, a Christmas early today. You know, long the people might anticipate to see who you and what you look like. A long time we'll be anticipating bulldog outside. But dirty Grace in a man, you don't know about nothing about me and man Grace the bulldog. You don't know nothing about me and man. You don't know nothing about me and man. So I now walk on my man like all I look about them. I now walk and live life them when I live bulldog. When you using the husband money, my little boy them. Oh, look, me not live like a dirty bulldog. Could never live like you. You crazy? You mad? Well, you're going to Shanty, you can't rub me, bulldog. You can't rub me, you know, dear. I search my file till in a week when I can't find it. And I still not going to find my file. I still not going to find my file. The whole thing I can't take customer when I talk and yes, I to sell donuts and nothing wrong with them selling donuts to show it. So from before Gracie reach her house. You know, like me have people in Florida I watch you, bulldog. You know how much footage me get for you in your restaurant. You know much sin thing Gracie have upon you. When you think you hide, you know how long Gracie find you. But me just never ready for you yet. I'm not ready for you. All know me not ready for you yet, but I'm still not ready for you yet. Me not ready for you yet. This is just a glimpse of what to come. Me too tired. Me like a bypass you and give you a chance, but you're too bright. You're too bright. Do what you have to do to me now. Me don't do what me have to do already. Me just start do what me have to do yet. Oh, tired. The music stop. Oh, tired. You know, long people want me release that. You think I told them may I get called? You know, long the people must have released the dog, Gracie. Why you have the dog on the leash so long? You know, long? Bulldog, why do you think I want to come out and cuss me how long? Me never say nothing and people say me I'm not a friend because me not say nothing. When me come out, me have my files. When the judge come, me never have no file yet, so me have to wait till me get my file them. Then me ready for no. When Lorraine run out, so she gonna cuss me because I don't plate them. Me did have my file them pack up, so. Me did have my receipt them, so I'm ready. When you come out, me couldn't run, come cuss me, come you know if tell me say. And me not tell no lie upon like when I love tell people, lie upon people. But when Laura say she gonna ride me, now my time, the file them pack up, so pile up. I wait pound and nasty, it's gonna think I own alone have mouth fire, and people afraid I don't know. No things that you not answer people not answer afraid and afraid I don't know. I kill these people now have no time for more time, outside. But I can't cuss. Dirty Gracie. But you know about me lady? Me used to go to school together. Me used to take PE. Sad face, sad as on the reach. Sad as on the reach. The whole world I gonna see Bulldog today. She's too damn bright. Wait, me go back for the video again. The whole world I gonna see Bulldog. We know that the video is supposed to go on a lead already and just put up. You ever know me and Bulldog used to take PE together? We used to take PE, Bulldog. Eh? They know. You said she never there your yard. You said she never come in your yard yet, Bulldog. Cash up, cash up. You said she never come in your yard yet, Bulldog. You calm you out in my pyjama, Bulldog, so me come. You calm me out in my pyjama, Bulldog, so you over there cuss me. See Bulldog, then I leopard. More song. Bulldog this. Nationals, me not tell lie. All who have followed me long time. Wanna prove one more time. Gracie not tell lie. Me nah come out come say me have something and me not have it. And if me even say something, I wanna know when I look a joke put in it. Like one night I say Shanti she go buy the Kisco and I may show me say she buy the pad. When I know I like Gracie that tell just to make it look funny. But I know I say she go buy the Kisco for true. You don't know me. The one that will follow me long time, you don't know me like on a hand back. Me not have time to come here, come pretty up myself and look and tell lie. Me not have no time. For me say then got the party keep a Bulldog yard they keep. a bulldog yard. So release bulldog one more time, Panya. But you can't show me a picture. It me never do. Me not gonna show it, lady. See, you think I draw me a make? Me give you one little chance and warning. See bulldog there. On the ring light and the way, hush. Bad girl bulldog, you that road. Bad girl bulldog, you that road. Badder than you that road. You that road, badder than. Baddest girl over there, you that road. You are road. Road we say. Road we say for bulldog. Road we say. Bad girl. Bulldog, the bad dog. The dog when me the up on the leech. I'm the one the last week. I must say, leave me alone, bulldog. I'm going to send out your picture. And you follow your friend. And you rub and you bite and you tear of a shanty, but you can't bite and tear me. You can't bite and tear me, my love. No. Big up my team. Big up my stay good undercover behind the scene team. My team will go out there and get the information them and carry them back. Come give Gracie. Thumbs up too no. Oh, Tada. But you bite and you tear up. You brighty? What you know about me, lady? Me used to go primary school or basic school. Me used to stretch out my hand give you for Asham. What you know about me? Me used to stretch out my hand give you for Asham. Lady, what you know about me? Are you the one me don't want me tell my virginity? What you know about me, lady? What you know about me? You never know me that do it, bulldog. I never want to do it neither. I didn't want it to do it. But you're too damn bright. You're too bright. And from there behind the phone, and sometimes I will not talk, I think on identity can't be found. You don't know so the identity can't find. News reporter are there. We have to find the news reporter later. I think the news reporter gonna work today. We have to build a news later. The news reporter will come in. Later, phone night, Facebook. We have keep the show down for later. The at show will ring in later. Bulldog, now we meet you. Now we can talk to you. Sadas on the day. Sadas on the day. Sadas. Sadas. Nationals. The son of them rich, Graceland. Them upset. Till them sick away. Hello. 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 Wait there. Them Indian and I take a set, not tap take set for me. But I not play. Not play with none of no. None of no. I have all of the information. So all of what say them have. And I say where Gracie I say a lie. And them have the, because I see one look idiot last night. I don't know when since him start the blogging. But it look like every day when he go up and feel like I mind him you have over there. And Gracie are wicked. And I him everything when me come out and talk, I him first talk. You never see something like this yet? You never see Bulldog picture yet? Now me are the first man to release Bulldog picture. So how him should do everything what him say me say. Eh? I know something like that, yeah, man. Bulldog, you never want to do it neither, no? You never want to do it neither, Bulldog. That's so damn bright. Cash up, yes, your boss said cash up. Me a pin my cash up, cash up, cash up. What them Indian don't leave me alone, man? No black the one at all. The Indian them take say for me every day. Cash up. Yeah. Yes, guys. I didn't want it. Oh, you mean this things not have a keep? What you said, Johnny? To that Saturday night. Tonight, Liam's skin teeth Saturday. We not call nobody name over here. Probably all him same when I put him name there. Not put nobody name in my comments. We're not giving a free shout out over here. We're not giving away no free shout out over here. They go work and build them channel. They can't me name enough. Then he never work now and build themselves. Like I did have to work and pay my money for build my own. Every day then they put my name. Yes, guys. Skin teeth Saturday later. Yeah, my love, we have a plan show. I plan to come with a skit, but look at the skit I have to put off. The skit I have to put off. And we have to come with something different. You know, we have to come. You know, a lot of have a lot for talk about later, a lot for calling and say later. After I see the dog, I know it's a whole heap of people. Cooperate for sip and chat later. Not sip and chat for skin teeth Saturday. Because we know a lot of one have a lot for let off, lot of steam for let off later. Because now I want to meet the dog. We not play. Bulldog too outside and bright. What you know about my lady? Dirty lady. Dirty lady, what do you know about me? Go bite and tear me up now. That's all you can do. Go and bite and tear up this Grace. Go and bite and tear me up, Bulldog. Please. Thank you. That's all you can do. Go and bite and tear me up. Cuss me off, Bulldog. Cash up, cash up. Yes, the boss said, me do a call out cash. Me supposed to call out cash up. Facebook not pay me, so me come over here them for tip me. Facebook not paying me. So me come over here entertainment, me a talk out of my mouth. Me supposed to ball out for cash up and me supposed to get it. So what more you have to say? You lady? Talk now. What more you have to say? You're a dirty boss, but you run out for defend boss and mess up yourself. Lady, if you just shut your mouth and stay inside, this wouldn't reach you. Cut and paste and tear. Cash up, cash up. But we pay with detective them. When you come, send a tip and pay the detective them. Because we have to pay the detective them. We send a tip. When you tip me, then me get to pay the detective them. Come on! For him not $900 there tonight, we'll pay the detective them. Jesus Christ, if you don't leave me alone. Yeah, man, the pay the detective them. The detective them work, we have to tip them. Outside, about your run out. Lady, leave me, Miserable woman. Oh, you never know me this serious? Me tell me serious, lady. Me say, Bulldog, if you play with me again, me gonna put out your picture. And this is not a joke picture, this is a serious something. All who live in Florida know say Bulldog have a restaurant down there only can tell me if a wrong picture me put out. I dare you guys to tell me say the wrong picture me put out. All who know Bulldog restaurant and know her face and know how she look, I dare you know. I dare you know. I dare you know for come tell me say no Bulldog that. And dare you know. Lori and she, if you come tell me say, I never Bulldog, yeah, she keep party with her little liar self. And where that lady? Since I'm a Bulldog, yeah, that Lori, now where that? Where is that? Since you say Bulldog now in the basement, me take that back. The tack room then, whatever room it was, I did there. A Bulldog yard. A Bulldog yard, the lady. In a tack room. They did there. Cash up. We have to pay the detective them, of course. But not either beg me, I beg in front of you know. We have to pay the detective them, so cash up tonight, come. Give me something today. If no other day, I'm not pressure on it, me pressure on it today. Me pressure on it today. We have to pay the detective them, cash up for the detective them. Play one alien Gracie. Cash up for the detective them. Them walking up. Come on. $5, $2, anything for the detective them. Them deserve it. Them deserve it and them still at work. Them look at them still look more information. So come, get the detective them something tonight. $5, $2, $3, $1, whatever it is. The detective them, see the cash up there. The detective them deserve it tonight. Them deserve it. Yeah, my love. Blaggers is something for the cut and paste and tape up and put all over the place now. Blaggers, get on a pen and paper together. See Bulldog out the road, yeah. Mystery lady has been found. Mystery lady has been found. Bulldog! Mystery lady! The mystery lady has been found. Bulldog, you! Bulldog, see! What should I not tag the dog? Cash up for the people them. Cash up for the detective them tonight. Come in, see the cash up go off all now. Not even $1 me not hear go off now the cash up yet. I want to refresh. Let's see, I don't want to tell no lie. Mystery lady have been found. Yeah, my love, you think we don't ramp with a lady? Outside. You know what I say? You go back over there, go cuss Gracie again. Me I put out a picture. You think me afraid? Me not afraid. We not afraid. We don't afraid. Bulldog, we not frightened so easy. But you bite a tear. We not frightened so easy over here, can't cuss me when I'm not ready and done me like a water bottle. I said, Gracie, you're not a bad breed, pity them. Cuss me and done me, rub me out, tear me up, bite me up, Bulldog. Don't want, don't please. Say wanna please. I ain't taking it back. Because me don't tell you. Any of you this the program you're coming out. Remember Harry Potter picture the first time. Well, don't forget, guys. Nationals, when Harry Potter come out, it was just a confirmation. Remember, say, Gracie done shown him Harry Potter already. So when Harry Potter come out to show us that, yeah man, Gracie done show you how Harry Potter look already. Yeah man, about rub out and nasty up Harry over here and plunge away, you know. I was showing the Arishi picture. And he said, Jesus, be my Arishi, look. Remember Gracie done showing the Arishi picture already. So now bulldog picture out the road. So what you going to do about it, bulldog? Nasty bulldog, what you plan to do about it now? We put out bulldog one. We put out Arishi one. Yeah, my love. How for baby a ball? I owe the pan life, I forgot to feed the baby. I what do it? It's all the girl beating at the apartment, in the building because the Spanish girl sit down on there while they can take the Spanish girl, man. It's who? Make sure no, you know. Make sure no, you know. Make sure no, you know. Oh, it's who I tell the Spanish girl, man, and get a good beating. Who taking the Spanish girl, man, and get a good beating because the Spanish girl all them and sit down pan them in the building. Come cash up for food. I mean, I get nothing night, you know? You know, give me. I'm not getting nothing at all tonight, my love. I who get the beat nowadays? No. I who? I who for us full of all young, everybody. I don't know if you know us full like sardine pants and I want to come for liberty people. I want to come for nasty people. And when I watch TV, you have to take break. The one that's done watch, so I can watch them. I want to watch now. You know, it's empty like, and I want to come for style of people and nasty of people. Dirty people, them. Eh? Food stamp lady. Food stamp lady. And I want to come for nasty of people. And I want to come for talk of things about people. And I'm not even working. I can't class me. Because I work for mine, you know. Come here, come soon in America. I'm work in America for mine, you know. Because the tax them, the government take out of my money, I eat and live on your mouth and drink and eat and sleep. I eat and live, I eat mine, you know. So, bulldog, have a good day. Don't vex with me, bulldog. Don't have me up. You cause it. I warn you. And then when they cuss me, you know, the national them say, Gracie, it's like bulldog have secret fear. Oh, you not put out no information about bulldog. And I say, I put it out. And I come off fire. Somebody call me. And the person, I really have a soft spot for them. And them say, Gracie, just one eye. And I come and I say, bulldog, you do it again. I'm going to put out your picture, your video. And I see your call over there. And when the lady say you want to talk on the live, no darling, no baby. You never talk on there. Because Gracie warn you. But today now you feel big and mighty and bad. Dirty Gracie. Your class you born. You diss up and you dig up. But Bola, you can't diss me. You can't diss me, Bola. No, now when you're a class, me understand me can't class me. For the ears them and the time them, Bola, me don't like you, you know. Me really don't like you. Because you want to look a wicked woman. But take yourself out of the one you look there. Because bad to bad, you have your little things then. I'm not going to tell my life on you. I just don't know why you do all of this. Because when you look on Bulldog, she don't look like none of this. She don't look like none of that. You know she have a life outside of this. Why she follow Laura and do all of this? I don't look on Bulldog again. I don't look on her again. I don't know. Come with reason. Behind all of what she do. All of what she do wrong. But don't look on the woman again. Please, guys. phone never work good so much. If I said nothing upon the cash app, I not see it, me come off of the phone there. And I said, we don't do everything upon the phone. Sure. Alright, let me say Bulldog again. Because we not play over here. We not run joke. The Bulldog there. Now leopard. That's a Bulldog. Alright? So by looking at Bulldog, yes, it's a Bulldog. And it looks like somebody where if it can't cuss people. Can't sister follow, she follow Lord. And sometimes the Bulldog gets scratched, she never have no good argument for tell nobody say. I know she just a follow, she just a help out her friend. Bulldog, I never planned to come live so early, honestly. I never planned to come work so early. I get up this morning, yesterday was a day with the home. I'm at work, I'm really tired in my house. I'm tired today. Just 20 minutes, half an hour ago. I get up. I'm on a treadmill. And as I come off a treadmill, I see much nation as I call me. Gracie! Supposed to hear a Bulldog over Shanty she do you. Bulldog, you could have really know something. I have a video like that and you do that. You shouldn't do it, Bulldog. You're wrong. You're wrong, Bulldog. So anything you get, you take it. Bite and tear me up now. Bite and tear me up. And the whole world I go say what Bulldog look like now. And all I would have heard, I go say, blood and skirt, Gracie, she named Bulldog. And she there behind the phone, come remember Bulldog. You shouldn't even think about. Say, Gracie, me not busy if you want to do it. Because you know you're a very popular person. You know your restaurant popular. You know, say if you still like Gracie, you know if you hate me, you know. Come and take out your husband. Come and say, no. The man have him good job. The man have him proper job and he never trouble me. He never trouble me, no. A Bulldog trouble me. So I cut out the man picture. And I see I cutting out the man picture. I saw him get the little clip there alone. Because it's longer than that. But through me I cut out the man. Because I say man not trouble me. Bad to bad, the man don't trouble me. The man not do me nothing. Bulldog, why you do it? Why you trouble me? Never plan to come live early. You know, say when me come live and start talk, crowd I go come. So you know, say Shanty she where you go over there go talk. Nobody no might not even see she nor notice she. But when Gracie come now, everybody I go notice when. But Gracie have to say it, I go share it, I go all over the place, everybody I go see it. So that you call on for yourself and it you get. Never trouble your Bulldog. You cuss bad word and one with yourself today, you know. But I know I not cuss no bad word, but I know I do hotter than what you do. Bulldog, I know, you know. I not cuss no bad word for you. But when I do today, hotter than the bad word the way you tell me. I know it a burn you right now. It burn you. That was not done. Miss D never showed a Bulldog picture. When she showed it, it was a dog come up on the front. It never a picture come up. Her phone number shows the first one I see her picture upon her. When she showed it was a dog, it was not Bulldog picture. Bulldog would never call her with her right picture on it. When Bulldog called me, I want Bulldog upon it too. She never show her picture. Show her number. And the first one I see her picture upon you. Because she always a hide. Them big and bad so them a hide behind phone. Bulldog, why you do it? Hmm? And you post a picture, the video, so if you never see it, you never look. I'm not afraid of none of them. Bulldog, how you feeling after today? How you feeling, Bulldog? Big up my detective them. Big up my top class detective them. Big up my detective them. Bulldog, I one thing me know, you know. Big up my top class detective them. You see if them people love their mother one more time. Them say, Gracie, we not have no platform. And a long time them do this to my mother. So we are going to do it together. We are work behind the scene with you. And we are get the information them and we are give them. And by any cost, we're getting it to you. I don't talk to none of them over there. I'm just a third person, so I never know who tell me. Me are the third person. Things go from one person and it reach Gracie. When the next person get it from, I have no idea. But one thing I know, when it come to the lady name, when you Miss D, you have a bunch of people that behind her. Who she never knows that they behind her. Who love her gone to the ground where she walk on. And then we go all out for anybody, forget the people them who's tormenting their mother come forward. That's all I know. Well, look, that's all I know. That's the most information I can give you today. Say, them go all out for their mother, very all out. And they will put the money together. And they will send people out there to do groundwork. Gracie not have to go nowhere. Gracie don't have to go nowhere. Nowhere at time and not have to go. Trust me on that. And I like them have to run condo things for themselves. And run go video place for themselves. Gracie don't have to do that. I don't have to. Yeah. Shanika. Yeah. I want. Untouchable Grace 07. Yeah. Nothing wrong with it. Uh-huh. I see the cash up someday because I don't know how it's gonna write and like means all the time. Oh, no space. Yeah. Them not have to go nowhere for do the things them. Me fix it. Them don't have to go nowhere for do the things them. So, you know, long I have Bulldog picture and I say, sure, no Bulldog. Bulldog only a chat. But Bulldog you get from bad to worse. I mean, not like that. Bulldog you get from bad to worse. Truth be told, hold your video too long. Hold your picture too long. Because I say, even though you had thought the things the Bulldog, I still give you time for us turn around and leave it alone. But my sister, there's no turning point in it. And it's like you're just ready for bite and tear. You just think people afraid of you. I'm not afraid of you. I'm not afraid of you, Bulldog. Nobody afraid of you. Nobody afraid of you, Bulldog. We're not afraid of you. So if you didn't hear so we're afraid of you, Bulldog, you find out today so we're not afraid of you. That's just a joke. That's a lie. None of we are not afraid of Bulldog. Well, we might never put it out because we're never ready for you yet. And you call yourself in something where we're not ready for you yet neither. But you see, through you come, we just deal with you. You know, like them say, oh, like when people are cook, and them say, alright, me never cook enough for you, you know. But like when you come, just I give you some. Hey, Bulldog, we're never ready for you yet. Because when the nation, as them say, Gracie, put up Bulldog picture. I say, no, I mean rule, no rule me. I don't time for that yet. Gracie, me you're close. And you never make me see Bulldog picture. I say, me not giving you no. Because someone can't trust it. I will put you out, I'm not ready for you go out yet. I say, Gracie, give me a look of people fight now. That's the cash up. See the cash up there. Beg on something tonight. Beg on something today, please. Beg me a beg. Beg on something, please. Put something. Yeah, thank you for pinning the cash up. Beg on something, please. Me always put this the dash in it. Probably that's why I not get nothing at night time. Come here, put you up the wrong way. Go like I just see two local people who find the right cash up. Give me. Come here, put you up the wrong way. Yeah. So big up on yourself. Bulldog, I never ready for come live yet. I really never ready. I never want to come live so early. But Bulldog, you draw me out here. You draw me out here, Bulldog. You draw me out here for come talk early. Talk when I'm not ready for talk yet. I say I work. I day I work out, you know. So I rest my body today. So I lay down and rest my body. And here come Bulldog of Ashanti She life. And Shanti She depend. Robbins! What a way you make Bulldog set you, Shanti She set you up for your picture come and roll to the Bulldog. What a way you make Shanti She set you up to the air. She set you up to death. Because any old Bulldog come back out again. The next one when I have Bulldog, I put it out, I'm in a business. Who, or whatever. I don't care. Me no care. Nationals, open your eye. And look for me. Anytime you hear Bulldog go say Gracie. Or this Grace. If I don't know, so me shall refer to, send it come. Send it come. Send it come. Because I'm not afraid of Bulldog. I'm not afraid of Bulldog. Let me say, I'm not afraid of Bulldog. See, cash up there, right? Cash up there. We not afraid of Bulldog over here, so. We are not afraid of no dog. No Jankro, no Legion, no Demon. We're not afraid of them. We stay over here so by ourselves. We don't stay over there so by ourselves. We don't even care if we don't want to come over here. And we don't want to over here neither. Bulldog again. Alright, so remember now, nationals. Me I talk to the nationals them. Who there from the start. We not talk about the one them who just a come, because some things we talk. I will never hear can I just come. But nationals who there all along with me. Graceland, come and pick them here no reason. You remember when Gracie did say over Bulldog yard, Lord, did go and keep the party. You remember how Bulldog come and cuss Gracie and talk about other things? I say, Laurie never come out yard yet. I like Gracie and tell. Laurie never come out. One look while. Was that not the clothes the Bulldog did when Laurie did have for a party? Was that not? It was not the clothes that Laurie did have for a party that? Condemnation has come. We have no reason. We have all a reason. Was that not the clothes that she had on for our party? The same outfit. Same outfit, Bulldog. You can't trick me. Bulldog, Lorraine was at Bulldog yard. And then Lorraine come by her bad. And said she got Jamaica. And not only that, but Lorraine bad about. But don't listen good. What Lorraine said last week. People was trying to set up her life because they know that she went to Jamaica. Was Lorraine in Jamaica? No. Lorraine was at Bulldog yard. But Lorraine was at Bulldog house. And Lorraine come and bawl like water, play the victim. And say, people, a special individual send man for kill me, I'm a be. Send man for kill me, I'm a be. She was not in Jamaica. She did not even went to Jamaica. She never even passed airport for go to Jamaica. I say, people, they must send man to kill me at Jamaica. I'm gonna be here. She never go. When they hear she a baller say it was not over Bulldog house she did there. That's where she was. Bulldog house. We know. So I when me I say it and she try to twist my story like Gracie tell lie. Me never that Bulldog yard. Bulldog come out and Gracie Bulldog she never come me yard yet. To wait them want something strong in my drink, yeah. When I hold on the nation has no wait, me coming. I need something strong in the drink, yeah. Me need something strong for talk, but me and talk. Hold on there. Wait the nation. Yeah, my love, me throw a look around in the tropical rhythm. It's 2 weeks. I want something strong. Yes, I want something strong. No laugh, no want laugh, no business. Yes. She said, cash up. She said, the people them set up her life for kill her. You hear me say? For kill her. And she damn mobile. And people them said man for kill her and mobile. And they hear Bulldog come. And dirty Gracie a liar. You never come on me yard. And then go over Shanty she show. And the boss went to Jamaica. The boss was not in Florida. The boss never go Bulldog yard yet. And this is a video of the boss. The boss. The talk like boss. In Bulldog. If a tack room, wanna call it basement, whatever it is. Whatever wanna call it. We not play. We come with receipt and evidence. We don't come with chattings and we don't have no receipt, we don't have no evidence, we don't have nothing for back up when say. When me come with facts. This is a party night. See, both Lorraine and I see him party clothes. Thank you. No. She in party clothes, guys. In a bulldog house. Bulldog basement. She said she never got bulldog yet. I twin that. I twin that. Talk to me nice. Is that Lorraine twin? Is that her twin sister? Nationals, I'm not trick. What a trick on them. Can I see them come out for this trap me? Say me and Lorraine are the big friend, and they can't bring out no receipt or no voice note with me and Lorraine chat nobody. So me now make them distract me. Me a focus on me a focus right now. When them drop them receipt out the road, me will look on them. But for now, they're not a receipt. Because there's none to reveal. There's none to reveal. If them did have receipt for Gracie, trust me, them that drop them out a long time. Trust me. So no look now. Remember she say, you know, them set up her life and maybe if dead. And she never go Jamaica. So if you never go Jamaica, Miss Lady, how would it? Yeah. So now that's dead, you know that you put there? No, your one still pin there. No, your Mr. It's the same thing. A Gracie or a Grace. And a Gracie you put there, so girl, fix that. Yeah, but you have Gracie there. Well, please to fix it back and put the right one. We don't have time for that right now. I must see Shanika carry me up on the live now. Sure. Why want me fix? I wish moderator play with me that idea. Girl, fix it, but I don't have time for that now. So, she said, she got Jamaica. And she never got bulldog yet. Remember she said it and never we say it. Remember we were just listening when she came back. Nationals, look good now, remember. When she came back, what did we do? We were busy listening what they have to say. Because we never want last. We never want last from what them say. So we were busy listening. And we listened to get conclusion to what they were saying. So after we keenly listen what Lord say. Remember we not no lawyer, no defendant, you know. So we have to listen the case and plead it by ourselves. Because we're not a lawyer, we have to plead no case for we. So we have to plead it by ourselves. After we listen what Lord say. No defendant, you know. She said, Gracie a tell lie. Because she never got bulldog yard yet. And bulldog come and get Gracie a liar. Gracie a liar. She never come at bulldog yard yet and Gracie a liar. I said, alright, if you say go Gracie's a liar, Gracie a liar then. When me look now, me know me have the video long time. Me have it. Me know what me have. Me have what the video. Me say, alright, me not gonna argue with bulldog, but me know if bulldog come back or come class and style and say she a bite and tear again, I'm gonna put out the video. I came and I warned Bulldog. I said, Bulldog, leave Gracie alone. Back out of the one here. Sit out the one here. Because you know you have a family in Florida. You have someone in Florida to lose. Do not allow foolishness to cause trouble in your family. Say, Bulldog, I don't want to put out your picture. Everybody asks me feet, but I choose not to put it out. Cut long story start. Me hear Bulldog calling pan Laura live last week, and she said, oh, take me off of the live, darling. I don't want to be on the live. Because you take the word and you run out. And you say you don't want to be on the live. Because you don't want Grace to put out your video. Cool. Because I don't want you put the person put it out like that. Because if them want me, I don't want them put it out like that. So I'm going to say, alright. Bulldog, me go as far as tell you what color clothes you did have on, you know. And the boot. I go as far as telling you all of that. For sure you say, me know who you be. I was so surprised, Bulldog, I lose her for you. When me hear say you over Shanti, I never know me that to come out for you. I didn't plan to. I didn't want it to neither. I know the whole nation I say, but Gracie, I want to make you no want to show a Bulldog. How much of them, Gracie, look how long we have come with you, you have Bulldog something them you not show it. I say, cool man. Gracie, let me glimpse it now. No. No. I held that one. I hold it down. I mean, I said, Bulldog have a big restaurant, she have her business, she have her husband, she have her kids, she have a family, she have a life. But Bulldog, you look like me concerned about your life, but you're not concerned about for your life. So I say, anything or anything today. You bite and tear me, anything or anything. Bulldog, you should know I'm in a ramp. She don't know me not play. Remember when Harry Potter, she come out for me? I want to say, Harry Potter, the old one, used to call him for my show. I bet anytime I say me and Harry a friend, when I say me and Laura a friend, because me and Laura never friend. Harry Potter was smiling now when we call me and say, Gracie, why go on and heal me up? But me and Laura never have that together. And if you see me put out Harry Potter picture before she come up, I must have me put out Harry Potter picture first. No, so she have a career and a job, but me never business. Why you think me I will care about you? You mean never care about Harry Potter when I care about you for? I mean, no, so Harry Potter have a lot for lose. A job or career, what if something she have for lose? Because we know she a college graduate. And my sister, she not talk like dunce. I mean, know how much she have for lose. And me and she used to talk. She used to send me cash up and something. And when she mess with me, I put out her picture. Why me and you never talk on phone or nothing yet, Bulldog? Why you think me I'm afraid to put out your hand? Me not afraid. I'm not afraid. There ain't no secret for me, Bulldog. You have secret for the Gracie? Bring it out. Hey, your boss, bring out the secret them now. I'm going to bring out the secret them for me now. So we'll let out on the out of the road. Every nation that we wanted to see us, them see you now. Them soon know. Them soon look like. Them see how to stay. The person who sent me the $30, thank you. Them see how to stay like. Them see how to look like. No, hide. We can't argue with Bulldog now because we know who we are arguing. We know who we are arguing. Yeah. We're not arguing with them till we can see who we are arguing with. Alright, nationals? With Gracie Land, we're not arguing with nobody who we can't see. Make we see them and then we answer them. We not cuss no bad one, because no, we not cuss, me not cuss bad one, and I encourage my callers. When no call over here, if you not cuss the bad one, me have cut enough. Me have too much people over here for lose. I have a lot of people who are going to say, Gracie, we have followed you from a long time. You can't make the new one them, but you change from where we didn't know you for. So the bad, we fix people daily. We class them. And if they come for we fix them, but nicely and decently. Nicely and decent. We don't have time for cuss bad word. And get down on the people. And I encourage none of my students them from over here. Don't represent me with that banner. I don't know me not like it. Some other platform them can cuss and get down on the people, but I don't know Gracie not stand for that. Class them, fix them decently. Fix them decently. Cash up, cash up. May I pin it. So any live, because we're coming back for evening live. We're not supposed to be on live. We never scheduled for today, for now. Wait. The music stop. Hold on, we're not play for you. We're not play with you. No, can't hide. That the one that we not live nowhere. She changed her address them so regular. She changed her address them so regular. And things that nobody could catch her. Nobody could find her. So we find her there with the 2 kids got them in her hand. Children don't live nowhere. I don't feel like a people basement. We don't catch up and nobody can't find us. So we find out what they with the 2 kids got on her hand there. We don't live nowhere and every day we take set from people. And we don't have a comfortable bed for sleeping. I could pound it too. Not used to nothing. Not broad day on a rent Airbnb. It's on the page already. And wrap up on that sheet. And I'm ready for argue with. But Gracie, move around. I don't have to move around. Anybody who has followed me a long time knows I have 2 little furniture in my house. Anybody who has followed me, I must a new one, them I know say Gracie not have none furniture. I must a new one, them I follow me now, I go say Gracie not have nothing. Me don't need to move around. Me don't need to come showing it. Say, yeah, Gracie have a flat screen TV. Me showing it last night because we had a purpose to show it because it was movie night. When me I come from, I'm going to house tour. Me don't need to do that. My kitchen my old fashioned because the landlord give me kitchen in a New York house. But I try my best to buy my furniture them. But that the one them not used to nothing. You want to see wrap up on that couch, wrap up in a sheet in a broad day. Time not cool and you wrap up in a sheet. And have to charge up all your phone them before you come out. How dare you argue with people? We have several seats. Want to see her too? We never see her on that sheet. And then it look like, you know Airbnb? Like you know rent it for a couple of hours. When I noticed in the same night, she back in her car. She was back in her car. She there back in her car go sit down. And I them make life every day and upon people name. I don't know how them do it. I can't do it because I have to work. I'm a very independent person. I try to work. I'm a bills them for pay. I can't come live back like them. When I notice when me come alive, me not have time to come live like them. Out of the world. Out of the world 24 hours. Them spend a 12 hour do live. Me can't do that. Me have too much to do. How can you? I mean, you have 12 hours, 24 hours. Alright, you not sleep. So you not sleep. Because we know you not sleep. Because you not live nowhere. So you can't sleep. Because you really not live nowhere. So you cannot be sleeping. Because you not live nowhere. But come on. Sometimes I wonder if you're beard. Sometimes I really wonder if you're beard. We have to wonder. These are the things that we're wondering. Your beard, you brush your teeth, what you do? God have mercy and reach over here. Yeah, what you do? Cash up. What you do? Talk the truth, man. Your beard, how you live, how you eat. When you catch up with people, you have to eat out of one paper plate. As a big woman, I say you want to live. I say you want to live, go buy a Kisco. All that cash up them where you collect. I say you want to live. All of the cash up them that you're collecting. Kisco. Kisco girl, come here. Come here, Kisco girl. After all of the cash up them where you collect. So I move around today, I know. See my decoration them in here. Now my couch. In here. That all of the cash up them where you collect. Good girl, come here. Come here, good girl. Out of all of the collection them, the cash up them where you collect. That's all you could have buy outside. 2 Kisco. 2 Kisco. You good girl? Two Kisco. Then never see me go to the store. Cause the store buy 2 Kisco. Me laugh. Me that buy it. Kisco in the fridge. And as I explained to you, I don't me that drink them. I have a little boy in here. You know them love them icy. I wouldn't call it freezy. I wouldn't call it icy. Still like that. Yes, you have to buy it for him. So I'm not yours, so I'm still in the fridge. And a lot of other pitness sitting in the same way. Me see with Red Bull this morning. When I see it, you never see good girl have a Red Bull I drink today. Yeah man, she did have a Red Bull. But I tell her like upon her, she did have a Red Bull I drink this morning. She did have a Red Bull I drink. It's too strong, sir. I see her this morning with a Red Bull now and a drink. And good girl tell the things about Gracie, you know, a good girl want crowd. One time I Miss D name, she used to call forget crowd. She still a call Miss D name forget crowd. And Gracie, Miss D and Miss Grace and Gracie name them, she have to call over the forget crowd. She want crowd here, she said Miss D and Gracie. I never know so my name popular. I never know so my name did popular. You know? Never know. I never know so this girl name popular. Yes, Shanas? No, what? Today Saturday. We're going to have skin teeth Saturday later. We're not put up skin teeth Saturday. You know, Gracie will come with a show plan. We have a skit for tonight, but I don't think it's going to fit for tonight. So I put off a skit one next time, alright? I don't know. But I have a skit. We have a skit when I work pan. Because you know, more time I know, like, when I come, I'm going to skit out things. I'm going to laugh and so forth. But tonight, I'll just open the phone line. I'm going to say what I have to say about the dog. Keep it clean, no bad odor. No bad odor. You know me keep clean, sure. Keep clean, sure, guys. Graceland, big up on a nice clean self. I'm coming back later, because them not keep away fire. Them not putting away off. We are coming back later tonight. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Have a blessed day, everybody. Nikki, you know me not like you? Or you mean a water and a man can not Red Bull? Nikki! You are wicked. Make it so water them can. Stop it. I don't water them can. And a good girl can. See good girl come with a big can. Good girl come with a can. I got to have water and a good can. Good you have good can, man. Anyway, nationals, I love you guys. I'm not giving a cash up today, but you know, it's alright. It's alright. How would you call you? Hello? Hello? Yeah, hello? Yeah, may I hear you? Yeah. Put it on the speaker. Go ahead now, what you saying?
I made a kiss, come on later. Kiska.
I want to share Kiska them.
25 cents. Cash up low. Kiska.
Oh, make sure you bring it one. A man say Kiska, man say ma come later.
I pass with Kiska later. Kiska and King Kong.
Kiska what?
King Kong.
Kiska.
You can't afford King Kong. Only Kiska can afford. Remember King Kong had the big one? Kiska had the long, skinny one them.
Somebody have King Kong. I want a King Kong.
King Kong is bigger and fatter.
Oh, so King Kong is better. King Kong is more expensive.
People money buy King Kong. People now the money buy Kiska.
So how much for King Kong?
King Kong at $1. Kiska at 25 cents.
Very hard.
I make my newspaper to wrap them up in so then they melt fast.
So they use it for what? That they don't melt fast. Huh?
Yeah. I'm going to Kiska.
So, you walk with one for Kiska later?
Yeah, me and the Kiska man later. We come to Kiska.
Girl shot to you! I want them girl shot to you come because she love my Kiska, you know. She buy out the whole of them in a one go. Shanti! What is that girl for me there? Girl, come here. Wait. Belly at me, girl. Wait. We can't start by you now, because the next kingdom I want to start crumble down. So your time now, Shanti she. You know, if I want them not talk, I want them not answer, though. We're ready for you now. Gear up. We're coming to the kingdom next. Gear up. Over there we reach now. Gear up. Right over Shanti she. Yes, we. Coming over Shanti to make disaster and tumble down places. Yeah, we love. Buckle up, it's gonna be a rough ride, Shanti she. Shanti she. We're coming. Me and the nation reaching in. We're reaching over there. Wanna say I'm not done in now, no? We not no rest. We left from one kingdom and we are come our full one now. We not no rest in a way. Una not done, but we not no rest. We not take no rest. We not stop for just for catching our breath. Right over Shanti she we coming nationals. Buckle up with yourself. Prepare with yourself. Have a canned food, everything prepared because of hurricane season. We don't know when we're coming back home. We don't know when we're coming back home, so we are going on the road with food and everything because we don't eat Kiska. We are going to them kingdom and we don't eat Kiska. So we are bring with food, with drinks, with water, everything. And we don't drink Kisco. We don't drink Kisco. Hello. Hello. Yeah.
How are you?
I'm okay. You want to be on the live? So what?
You don't know the ping pong?
Wait, caller. Yeah, caller, go ahead.
You don't know the ping pong?
The pink park.
Yeah. It is about almost 2 times size of the Kisco.
Oh.
It might be the same length of the Kisco, but it's almost 2 times of the Kisco size.
So it's at the dearer one.
Yeah, man, it there. So girls Shanti can afford that.
So she have to buy the kicks.
I don't believe we can afford the ping pong because it is more expensive more than the Kisco.
Oh.
Somebody what him can afford.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay, then, later.
Alright, sweetheart.
Okay, bye.
Nationals don't know Gracie a busy girl. So I finished with some workout. And what time? Later skin teeth Saturday. So come over for your belly full of laughter and joke and skin teeth for the nasty with them. Skin teeth for them because them are nothing more than circus clown, papaya. Them is nothing more than circus clown. So we have skin teeth for them. I love one. Can't say me not go on an early Christmas gift. When I get on a present today. When I get on a tie, them Santa pass through phone away. I pick them way quick and early. When I get on the Christmas ties. Go and play with no water gun and a dolly them now. Me go on a gift. Christmas gift. Yeah, Jardy, you get your gift. You and Vinette and the whole I want to get on the gift. And you can go play and both pan the pit of them now. Show them so no matter about no water gun and dolly. Haters, we're still here. Haters. We get our Christmas gift early. See you later. I love you guys. Bless up on a nice clean self. Gracie, I go hold some finish workout and then I go hold some rest. That later when I come, energy there. Rest up for the show later. Gonna be a nice show. I'm gonna have to share it out. I'll let other people come over. Alright? Bye guys. Sooner or later. Bye. Love you guys. Ma. No, we're not frightened for numbers like them. When them on the live and them say numbers, they panic, they don't want to come off. You know, but you see, true, we have things to do. And we not hungry feet like them. We have to come off. So, later will be greater. Okay, nationers? Bye.